Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal University School, Deship. And now I am going to conduct your English language class for the students of class 2. And our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, Lesson 3, Exercise 2, CW. Dear students, Lesson 3 is about pronoun. So, in your first lecture of this lesson, you already learnt about what is pronoun. Pronoun, that means by this we can understand that it's quite related with the term noun. Okay? So, why in which perspective it is related to the noun? At the place of noun, the word which we can use, that's called pronoun. Imagine that I am Faruk. So if I say that I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Faruk Hossain is your English teacher, Faruk Hossain is a good boy, Faruk Hossain goes to school regularly, then in each and every time if I use this name, then it would be bad to hear it. But if I use Faruk Hossain is your English teacher, he teaches you in good manner, he goes to school regularly, that means I am using he at the substitution of Faruk Hossain. Okay? Imagine that it's not Faruk, it is Faruka, that means it's female. So at the place of female we can use she. So this he and this she, she, it, they, we, all these are called pronouns because we are using these words, that means this he, she, they, we at the place of any noun. So this is called pronoun. Already you have learnt it in the previous lecture of this lesson. Dear students, today we will discuss about from Enjoying Grammar book, Lesson 3, it's about pronoun and it's from exercise number 2. So what is written here? Rewrite these sentences with he, she, it. Dear students, you have to give a comma here. He, she, it, we or they. Dear students, in your book it's written that it is they. So it would be they. And you also will have to another in lack of the words in color. That means in color this words substitution what we can use. Okay, Kate is not well. Kate went to doctor. Dear students, Kate, if I use Kate 2 times it would be redundancy. Okay, and will not good to hear. So we will use its pronoun. So Kate is a female. So what I use here? Female. At the position of female we can use she. Kate is not well. So she went to the doctor. Rest of the part would be the same. We will change only the pronouns. Okay. So number 2, the man is walking fast. The man is in a hurry. That's here the man. So the man, at the place of the man, what we can use? The man is singular and it's male. So we have to use he. He is in a hurry. Rest of the part would be the same. So number 2's answer would be at the place of the man we can use he. He is in a hurry. Okay. Number 3. Where are the birds? The birds have flown away. So the birds, dear students, the birds means here I am not related, that means you are not related. Some animals, so we have to use they, that means the birds. Okay, so they have flown away, they have flown away, it would be answer. Number 4, Miss Geeta is our teacher. Miss Geeta teaches us English. Dear students, Miss Geeta is female. Okay, so we have to use she. Miss Geeta at the position of Miss Geeta, we have to use she. She teaches us English. Number 5. Linda and I went to the library. Dear students, Linda and I. Linda and I. That means, look at the word. Linda and I. That means, I am also included. So, although I am included, we have to use we. And for the case where I am not included, on that case we have to use they. Okay. So, Linda and I went to the library. Linda and I saw many books. So, at the place of Linda and I, we have to use we. Saw many books. Okay. Number 6. Where is Ginger? Ginger means the dog. Where is Ginger? Ginger is in the garden. Dear students, Ginger is dog. So, it's an animal and it's single. That means singular animal. So, for this case, we have to use it is in the garden. Okay. But in the example number 3, the birds, it was plural. So, we use they. But for the case of 6 number, Ginger, it's singular. That means only one dog. So, we have to use it is in the garden. Okay, what, dear students? Now, 7 number. Shama and I read a book. Shama and I liked the book. Dear students, the same thing. Like example number 5. Here I also included. So, Shama and I, here would be we liked the book. Okay. Dear students, now number 8. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. Here you can see the picture of the cat. Okay, dear students, this example is also like the 6th number. The cat is singular cat. So, we will use it is in the box. Dear students, this is all about exercise number 2, and you have homework number 5 is exercise number 2, 1 to 5. That means only 1 to 5. These 5s are your homework, and it's you will write only answer. Okay. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope all of you got understood what is written at your exercise book. Practice it by staying at home more and more. And after practicing it, I hope it would be more easier to you to understand. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.